Hello, guys. Welcome back to Lytical Preps. Please, as usual, if you know today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy tricky, more exciting questions together. So we are having 2 exponent I squared, which is equal to x exponent I squared over 3. Okay. But before we start, let's do something first. You know that square root of -1 is equal to I, right? And also square root of I squared is equal to I. Okay. Now I squared is the same as -1. Square root of -1. I squared is equal to square root of -1. Okay. And so we can also say that I squared is equal to -1, right? Okay, so we are going to apply this in our workings. So we are having 2 exponent I squared, which is equal to x exponent I squared over 3. Okay, so now we are saying that this I squared will be equal to -1. Okay, so our equation now becomes 2 exponent -1, which is equal to x. So x exponent -1 on 3. Okay, let's continue. And also in algebra, we have a exponent -1 is the same as 1 over a, like this. So now we are going to apply this here. So this one will be 1 over 2 exponent 1, which is equal to, then this one too, we are going to get 1 over x exponent 1 on 3, like this. Okay, so from here we can cross multiply. Okay, so cross multiplying, we are going to get x exponent 1 on 3, which is equal to 2 exponent 1. Okay, so with this, we are going to multiply the exponent by 3. So we are going to get x 1 on 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 2 1 multiplied by 3. Okay, so this one will cancel this, leaving x exponent 1, which is equal to 2 exponent 3. And x exponent 1 is the same as x, which is equal to 2 exponent 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so our x is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, times 2. So our x is equal to 8. So this is our solution for this equation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that we all enjoy tricky questions together. Bye.